Everyone, welcome back to our channel.
So in today's video we're going to be showing you part 2 of our favorite places around Johannesburg.
Clary's favorite places, because I actually haven't been to the one.
Yeah.
But I have to go see it before we leave, because that would be sacrilege if I actually didn't go to this place. So.
It's quite an exquisite place.
But I'm pretty excited. Should be a fun trip, fun day out in the city. Welcome to the Johannesburg Botanical Gardens. We actually didn't know that the rose garden had cherry blossoms, which is flippin' beautiful. So
as you can see over here, there's one.
they're all over
There's
the place.
one here.
I'm gonna really try fly the drone to show this off a bit later, but it's gonna be incredible. I think from above, wow. And there's been requests for more drone footage, so time to go take some pictures of Clary by that beautiful blossom tree over there. She's excited. My goodness, it's beautiful here, guys. Holy crap. For a man to say that. But please, gents, bring your ladies here.
So
Honestly.
girls, you know, on Instagram in like Japan, when it's spring they have like a whole bunch of cherry blossoms everywhere in Japan, and all the girls go there in beautiful dresses to take photos, while Emmarentia has the exact same thing.
Right here at home.
So I suggest you come here in a beautiful dress, bring your boyfriend with a nice camera and take gorgeous photos. We'll put some on the screen now so you can see what Red did for me, but it is stunning here.
I didn't actually know that there were cherry blossom trees in this rose garden.
Neither did I.
They don't
I've
say,
been here
they
before.
say rose garden, they don't say rose garden and cherry blossoms.
Or cherry blossom garden.
Cherry blossom garden. Yeah, it's really nice, so make sure you come through. Look at this tree, guys. Look at this. Just wow.
Look at this. Cherry blossoms everywhere.
So beautiful.
So yeah, girls, get your butts here and do a photo shoot.
Oh my gosh, you don't even want to know what just happened. We were busy lying on the grass, enjoying.
Red was flying the drone.
I was flying the drone, minding our own business. And some guys walked up to us and asked us if we could take photos for their wedding. So I was like, okay, taking a few photos, but yeah, so I ended up taking wedding photos for somebody else's wedding.
There was about like 60 people that we just had to photograph. We just had to like improvise straight off the bat and do their photography for them for their wedding.
I'll put some of the pictures up on the screen now, but wow. Yeah, that was a bit frantic and a bit stressful, but
we just did it in like 15 minutes and that's us done.
We've never done wedding photographs before, but hopefully some of them came out okay.
Yeah.
But yeah, wow, that was an interesting thing to happen. But anyway,
Chrissy!
now we're going to the next place. See you now.
on the top of Northcliffe Hill.
Yeah, I've never been here before. It's actually mesmerizing. I've just been sitting here for 10 minutes looking, and the sun's popping out in the distance down there. It's freaking awesome. I'm gonna try and fly the drone and show you guys. As you can see, it's very windy. It's actually so cool to come here and see this place that we grew up in. It's awesome. I'm actually quite proud of it. It looks beautiful. Okay guys, that concludes the video. Hope you really enjoyed it. It was a beautiful place up there. I'm so glad we came just before we leave. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye.